through the highway. You can hear it speeding up. Well, for work, it's not this stop, but it's the first stop over the bridge for my work. I'll take the bus from the Port Haney station directly to home. You can get off at Haney Place, and then I'll just continue the rest of the way on the Broadbridge bus. This is really fun. It's like we're flying over the highway. I know, because we're going so fast, like about 80 kilometers per hour. Oh wow, what are they doing here? It says, drive with caution. Traffic illuminator removed. Yeah, this bus, the 791 takes the Maryhill bypass, but this bus takes the Logie Highway directly to there.
That would be the fun to change lanes in this bus.
Well, we had to, because otherwise we'd be caught. Yeah, the Maryhill bypass. That's what the 791 does. It copies this route up until the bridge, and then it goes on the Maryhill bypass.
See, if I was driving this bus, I would have changed lanes.
Yeah, but then you would miss Old Jimmy's little bus stop. Yeah. So I would be, by now, I would have already hit the court to get off at work. But because I don't work there anymore.
The stop is
This bus will get off at the very last stop, the Willen Central Station.
Oh, actually, we're making really good time, Riley. It's 10:02.
We're not having to stop by my work. And if you go to Terry Fox, the person you drop off at the bus bay,
Yeah, Terry Fox.
yeah, I think that's by Ottawa, if I'm correct, or Dominion.